Whether it's a truck pulling a full load across North America, a drill deep in a mine in South Africa, a ship operating off the coast of Norway, or equipment doing countless other jobs around the world, they all rely on Cummins power that was born here at the Jamestown engine plant. This is where Cummins builds the ISX-15, X12, and X12 natural gas engines. It's a plant that utilizes sophisticated manufacturing technologies, precision machining, and advanced systems and practices, combined with the ability to track, monitor, control, and update every detail that goes into building a world-class Cummins engine. The plant began operation in 1974. Today, it's one of the largest engine plants in the world, and we've built more than 1.7 million engines here. Altogether, we build over 5,600 different heavy-duty engine configurations. And that means we're able to create engines that specifically meet the needs of our customers. At Jamestown, quality begins with each individual component that goes into the engine. The plant maintains a global supply chain of certified suppliers, producing parts to Cummins' exacting specifications. And to ensure unsurpassed quality, we machine the most critical components, such as cylinder blocks, camshafts, cylinder heads, and flywheels, utilizing some of the world's most advanced machining technologies.
Here at the Jamestown engine plant, we choose to produce critical components for our engines, such as cylinder blocks, cylinder heads, camshafts. The reason that we choose to do that is to control the critical features of those components. They really truly are the foundation of our engine. The features on those components really affect the function and the durability of our product. We have tightly controlled parameters on those components, whether it be bore diameters, locations, surface finish, all controlled down to the micron level and measured firsthand by our operators as the parts are produced on a continual basis to ensure ongoing quality.
There are two assembly lines in the plant, one for the ISX-15 and the other for the X12. On the assembly lines, each engine begins as an individual engine order. As every operation is performed, and as each of the more than 2,400 individual components are added, this information is captured electronically, and these details and specifications precisely tell the individual story of every engine built here.
We have a data highway that runs the length of this assembly line that tracks all key characteristics for the process and key parts as they go on the engine. And that can range from everything from CNC equipment to high-resolution CMMs, all the way through data management for our critical processes and assembly. So when you look at our assembly line, what you'll see is numerous DC torque tools, all being overchecked and monitored by data management to assure that every torque, every fastener goes on the same way every time to assure that we've got good traceability and control of our processes. That also provides a good birth history for our engines to assure we have the right quality product every time to our customers.
All of the components come together in a high-speed, flexible assembly process, as teams of highly trained employees build and check the engine all the way down the line, with numerous fail-safes, error proofs, and interlocks built into the assembly process. In fact, station by station and task by task, the engine won't advance unless every operation is checked and verified.
Here at JEP, we take personal responsibility for every product that we make. We check and we recheck to make sure that we are within the tight tolerances that are set by our product engineers, because that's a personal reflection on us, the quality that we set out that door.
At the Jamestown engine plant, we fully test every single engine before it leaves the plant.
There's definitely a lot of pride in working with these engines and producing the best engines that we can. Each engine is put through a series of points. We simulate both a high idle and a low idle condition, a acceleration ramp, such as a snap throttle as a driver getting on the accelerator pedal. And we also do what we call a fixed fueling point, which simulates a full throttle condition to ensure that the product leaving JEP is the best possible product that we can ship.
Following assembly, engines are ready to be painted, upfitted with any customer-specific options, and made ready to ship to the customer. From the beginning, the Jamestown plant was created to build engines with a team-based approach. That means that the people here are cross-trained to perform many roles. In fact, most Jamestown employees are certified in at least 5 different jobs.
Our company's success depends on its people, and team-based work systems empowers people to act and to think like owners. They own their quality, and they own their systems, and they own their safety, and they manage their team finances. And as they do that, they begin to believe that they can manage. And not only do they begin to manage inside these 4 walls and inside their team to make their team successful, they take that skill out into the community. So both the community and the company and the individual is successful.
There are also over 100 product and service engineers at the plant, dedicated to the ongoing development and improvement of the engine. So they are close to and involved in the ongoing production. Dedicated labs within the plant conduct ongoing testing of materials and components to ensure the exacting quality standards are met.
Having engineering on site allows a faster response time to the plant for safety, quality, and assembly issues. We also have a team dedicated to making product improvements throughout the life of the engine. Having both our test facilities and manufacturing line in the same location allows us to focus on the heavy-duty product and provide improvements for our customers.
The plant operates test trucks and a fully equipped mobile lab that's dedicated to investigating engine performance for specific customers.
Inside this 53-foot trailer, we've housed state-of-the-art lab equipment we use to measure and analyze exhaust gas emissions. We can actually take this lab to a customer's site of operation, and we're able to collect that data while the vehicle is operating over the road. This flexibility allows us to design in robustness into our solutions because we're actually testing real engines in their real environment, their real operating conditions. So by accounting for sources of variation such as the weather, altitude, duty cycle, driver operation, or maybe load, we're able to create higher quality engineering solutions.
The plant not only creates environmentally clean engines, but is also designed with a low carbon footprint and has been landfill free since 2009. Over half the plant's roof is covered with solar panels, capable of producing 2 megawatts of electricity. And we've been recognized as a leader in ongoing energy improvements as the U.S. Department of Energy Focus Plant for Cummins Better Buildings Challenge. The people at the plant also take an active role in the community, participating in and sponsoring a wide range of community work, from community education to area cleanup.
Our JEP employees donate thousands of community service hours every year, from cleaning up the lake, doing shoreline cleaning at our Chautauqua Lake, to mentoring 3rd grade students at one of our elementary schools, working in St. Susan's Soup Kitchen, serving food, bussing tables, making bridges to one of our walking preserves in the area. Over 64% of JEP employees serve and work in the community.
All in all, the Jamestown plant is a truly remarkable place, building truly remarkable engines. Engines that deliver better performance, better fuel economy, and better reliability, while being better for the environment.
The operators on the floor, they take pride and they take ownership, and they're part of putting the engine together. It is up to them to make sure it goes on properly, to make sure that it's the right part, that it's properly attached, and that it's properly sent to the next station for our customer. And we take pride in the fact that we have the team concept, we work together as a team, and that allows us to be glued together as a plant.
The Jamestown Engine Plant, where the world's best heavy-duty engines are built.